Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into part two of my Sunday Stock Talk videos that we are going to be filming. This video that we are going to be talking about, or the company that we are going to be talking about currently, is Caterpillar. Now, I have been in Caterpillar for the last couple weeks. That's a company that I've been talking about for quite some time, and it's done quite a bit of consolidation. This is a company that I got into back on the dip of some of the economic turmoil. I think most of you probably know by now, if you're into stocks and into the markets and trading and world and public political affairs, you're probably very familiar with the fact that we've had quite an interesting political climate lately with Donald Trump, with China, with trade, with the fact that he's been in Russia, or not in Russia, he's been in, I forget where the summit was at, but I know he was meeting with Vladimir Putin, and so that was kind of a issue that was going on. What we're going to do is we're going to get into kind of Caterpillar really quick, see what I see value in it, why I'm in it, what my plans are with it, and then we are going to kind of dissect it and see if there is more potential room for a run up with that. So let's get to it. Let's jump into that really quickly here. Why don't I do this? So we're going to minimize this down, take you down, down, down. And we're going to pull this up, that up, and I think we are looking good. So, frickin' A. Thinkorswim just actually crashed on me. So give me just a second. We're going to ignore this. And then I guess we're installing updates. That's really cool. So okay. Charts. We're going to go to cat, bada bing, bada boom. All right, so if you look at Caterpillar and this massive slide that it had this big slide down here, and you're looking at it kind of trending right down here. Now, it touched a couple times down here at about 133, 132 was its low. But you'll notice that it started to have this up climb. It starts to have this nice little trend up. We've had it gain about 4 to 4.68%. That was a nice day when that happened. I thought we are going to start seeing quite a bit of jump, but you're starting to see some consolidation in here where it's getting hit and kind of consolidating right in this area, and it is making higher lows, which I really like about this. So if you zoom in on this particular section of Caterpillar as it's kind of started to bottom out here. And this is about the price point that I got in on it. Actually, it was probably, I take that back, I'm probably in it somewhere right in about here where I thought it would stop. And it did continue. I continued to buy through here. So I think I'm at about a cost average or a cost basis in Caterpillar of roughly $139. So I bought kind of early. I'm still down on my position in Caterpillar in full transparency, kind of in going over everything. If you're looking to get into Caterpillar, I see it as a good little buying point right now. I think I'm down about $600 in my position in Caterpillar. Which, yeah, does it suck that I'm down in it? Sure. Does it suck that I didn't buy in it the perfect, absolute right time? Yes. But do I see the long-term value in it? Heck yes, I do. If you have not bought into Caterpillar, this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing a nice little area of support being formed right here. So we are going to add a drawing. There we go. And we're going to draw a support line right through here. If you notice, it's consolidating. It's being validated through support several times. This is the third time as of recently on Friday that it has validated this. I even would see buying more shares on Monday because you are looking at a nice little return of about 3% on this. I like that Caterpillar has continued to consolidate. It's not dropping below this set point right here of $132, $134. 134-ish dollars. And where I found even more value is this is the 180-day chart here. If you actually look on the 1-day, 1-year chart, you can look at this nice set of consolidation that's happened all through here. So consolidation, very much so right in here. This price point of about $135 has been a very good consolidation point for a long, long time. And so if you do zoom in a little bit closer, these are day candles now on this. I'm just seeing that you see a green, you see a red day, you see a green day, red day, green day, red day. You should be having the next couple green days on this if the pattern supports itself and it continues to do what it should do. So economic data is strong. Things are looking good. I don't see any reason why. Basically what's going to happen, guys, is anytime a company like this that has good value, I mean, this company was valued at $175, $170 a share not too long ago, back in January. This company does have a little bit higher forward PE than what I would like it to be trading at. But anytime you see a company that has lost that much value, especially on trade wars and trade rumors, and where the United States has so much value in terms of what it has to win during this trade war, I honestly just got to say, I think you'd be crazy not to get into Caterpillar right now. I just see it being a great buying point. I plan to add more to my position when it comes Monday. You got to base it on what the markets are doing. If you're looking for a short term, like day trade or swing trade on that, if you're looking short term, you got to know where to buy in and what your parameters are. I'm not going to go over that because I have the goal of keeping these videos short, sweet, to the point. Financials, I'm not going to go over those right now on Caterpillar, because just suffice it to say that if you want to spend the time and look into them, things are still looking very good. Caterpillar is a company that's going to be around for a long, long time. Although I'm not looking to hold it for a long, 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 long time, I just love buying into these companies that have good financials, a good CEO, like a good board of directors. I like these things. These are the things that get me into these companies, and I end up holding for quite some time. I did buy some Tesla as well on Friday with the market dip, so I'm just trying to be real with everybody and kind of talk about all my positions that I'm in, because I don't want to be that guy that's just always talking about his pros, his positives. I think I was down like $1,800 on Friday, but it's because I had to buy in, and I had to buy in on these dips. That's when you want to buy. As the great Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, said, buy when people panic and panic when people buy. As your stomach can learn to start handling the buying opportunities when other people are panic selling or just feeling sick about the market, that is where you're going to start to become a better value investor or a dip buying investor. And as you use some of these techniques, you're going to continue to make more money. So I'm excited. I'm ready for the markets on Monday. I'm really pumped. I love these opportunities to make more money. I love teaching. So if you have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section below. If you are bullish on Caterpillar, please give me your reasons why. If you're bearish on Caterpillar, please leave those down there. And if you would love to respond to someone else's comment, please do that as well. I love getting that back and forth feedback and everything. I'm not always able to respond to everybody's comments. That's why I'd love it if anyone else wants to reply to those as well. So thank you so much for tuning in to Young Money Investments, guys. Stay green, keep it positive, and let's make some more money this week. Take care. Bye.